Stormceptor, the premier brand of hydrodynamic separator, also referred to as an oil grit separator, is a manufactured stormwater treatment device that captures debris, floatables, sediment, and oil. It also offers hydrocarbon and fuel spill protection, preventing costly environmental cleanups. With its patented design and verified test performance, Stormceptor captures pollutants and prevents resuspension and pollutant washout even during intense rainstorms. With over 35,000 installations worldwide, the Stormceptor brand captures over 8,500 tons of pollutants each year. Capturing 8,500 tons of pollutants is the equivalent of over 750 dump truck loads of waste being kept away from our beaches, lakes, and rivers. Like all stormwater treatment practices, a Stormceptor needs to be maintained to remain in top operating form as designed. Unlike many other stormwater treatment systems, inspecting and maintaining a Stormceptor is quick, easy, and convenient, all performed from the ground surface. No confined space entry is required. First, the manhole cover is removed to assess the top of the Stormceptor unit. This initializes the inspection phase and allows for a visual inspection of the inlet and outlet. It is recommended that a post-construction inspection always be performed prior to putting the Stormceptor into service and maintained if required. This should be conducted after the construction has ended and the site has been stabilized. Routine inspections should then be performed during the first year of operation. Inspections help to accurately assess the amount of sediment accumulated in the sump of the unit, as well as reduce long-term maintenance costs. Subsequent annual inspections will establish how frequently the unit should be maintained, saving time and money. The Stormceptor was originally designed for spill identification and capture, commonly used at industrial, port, fuel depot, commercial, and high-traffic area locations. Once again, this Stormceptor is passively doing its job and working 24/7 to protect the environment from hydrocarbon and chemical spills. Stormceptor's unique, patented design allows for the capture of fine sediments and associated pollutants and prevents these sediment particles from being washed out or resuspended during intense rainfall events. When the Stormceptor traps hydrocarbons, they are contained under the insert and not allowed to float freely, as in other brands of oil grit separators, preventing possible discharge. Presence of hydrocarbons can be identified by using a sludge judge, which is lowered into the inspection port, then removed and visually inspected. When the sediment level in the sump reaches 15% of the total lower storage volume of the unit, it is recommended that it be vacuumed out. Please refer to the Stormceptor Owner's Manual to determine the appropriate maintenance sediment depth for the unit being inspected. Maintenance cleaning of accumulated sediment is performed with a vacuum truck. For 6-foot diameter models and larger, the vacuum hose is inserted into the lower chamber via the 24-inch outlet riser pipe. For 4-foot diameter models, the vacuum hose would be lowered through a removable drop tee. After maintenance has been completed, the Stormceptor unit is restored to its originally designed condition. The unit is ready to perform the environmental function for which it was chosen, continuing to capture stormwater pollutants, ensuring superior stormwater quality. When you invest in a Stormceptor to protect your environment, you are purchasing the only hydrodynamic oil grit separator that captures fine sediments and hydrocarbons. Unlike others in the marketplace, Stormceptor will not resuspend captured sediment and hydrocarbons, preventing washout of the pollutants during periods of intense rainfalls and excessive flows. It is quick and easy to inspect and maintain and works 24/7, being designed to protect the environment while saving you money over the long term. It is simply the best stormwater hydrodynamic separator on the market, and 35,000 installations is the proof. Call the numbers listed below to contact one of our Stormceptor technical staff for further assistance.